Welcome. Today we'll talk about how we can use the word rather grammatically in a sentence. Suppose we had to describe the lady in the picture using the word rather. Would you say, "She is rather a pretty lady," or "She is a rather pretty lady"? If you want to know if these sentences are grammatical, you may watch on to find out more. What do we actually mean when we use the word rather? Rather has a stronger meaning than quite, and it is used when we talk about something unexpected. For example, when we say it's rather hot, isn't it? We mean that it is actually hot and hotter than expected. Now, let's talk about the position of rather in a sentence. Rather is used right in front of an adjective or a verb. We can say, "English is a rather interesting subject." We can also say, "He rather likes drawing." Rather is also used in front of or behind an article if there is an adjective in a sentence. We may say teaching is a rather fulfilling job. Equally, we may also say teaching is rather a fulfilling job. Otherwise, we use rather in front of articles in a sentence. For example, it is grammatical to say this is rather the house I'm looking for. And it is also acceptable to say this boy is rather a genius. In conclusion, rather is a stronger form of quite. It is generally used in front of verbs, adjectives and articles. The only exception is that it can be used in front of or behind the articles in a sentence with an adjective. That's it for today. Thank you and see you next time.